All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back into our artificial intelligence course again, and we're still doing our knowledge module. We're gonna pull that up for you now. And the last time we spoke, we went over the model check, and we got quite far since then. This is all from the lecture tonight, all the note taking. And tonight we actually went over the process of going over a hypothetical way of coding the logical formula for a clue game. And that's what this is. See what you're looking at. Let me try to break some of these pieces down for you. I don't know where to start because it was so much. Let me see if I can start from the top from you. All right, so to begin with, these are propositional symbols here. This is everything we know. These are the people involved. These are the rooms involved, and these are the possible weapons involved. So there's a Colonel Mustard, Professor Plum, and Miss Scarlet. There's a ballroom, a kitchen, and a library. There's a knife or a revolver and a wrench. Now, what they're saying is this: we know that there was a murder because it's a clue game. One of these three people could have done it. One of these three locations could have been the location of the murder, and one of these three weapons could have been the weapon of choice. Now, what we did was we went through all of the information and we coded it up logically so that we can have a representation of it in code of how we could solve this murder mystery. And it came out looking like something like this. Inside our knowledge base, in this N symbol here, you can see that we have it was either mustard, plum, or scarlet. It happened either in the ballroom, the kitchen, or the library, and either a knife or revolver or a wrench was used. And that was just the basics of it there. Later on down the line, we did a hypothetical where we got some additional information from some cards that we plucked. Go down here. So it's the same things here. You can still see inside the knowledge base, the N symbol. It was either mustard, plum, or scarlet. Either happened in the ballroom, the kitchen, or the library, and either a knife or a revolver or a wrench was used. But now we have some additional information here. We had three additional cards that we plucked from other players. And this one here says knowledge.add, not mustard, meaning we got a mustard card. So he was eliminated from the process because we have his card, meaning that he was eliminated from the process. He couldn't be the criminal. Then we got another card saying that not kitchen, meaning that it couldn't happen in the kitchen because we have the kitchen card. So the kitchen couldn't have been the location. And then we have another card here that says not revolver, meaning that it couldn't have been a revolver used. So we know that the murder weapon couldn't have been a revolver because we have the card. Now again, this is all generic information, but still, it is pretty pertinent or it is pretty useful to solving this case. Now we're going to keep on building. We're going to keep on going forward. And yeah, that's it so far. That's just little basic information that we use to formulate logical information using Python and using AI to help us solve problems. Now we're going to keep going in depth and we're going to keep moving forward. But for tonight, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.